Y'all, I'm about to go meet my man. We're going to the Chris Brown concert. Don't worry, my makeup isn't finished. I'm gonna put my lip on in the car. But this is how we're looking. Cute denim. What do you call this? I don't know, henna, like peplum skirt, whatever you want to call it. Hold on, I'll be back.
I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out. Yellow model cheese, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yeah, that look like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my 2J. If you get what I get, what would you say?
Anyways, guys, on our way. Yeah, exactly. You said you seen exit.
Yeah.
Okay. We're trying to get out of the parking garage. But yeah. Jadu Star. Y'all, I'm so nervous. I'm so freaking nervous, but I'm so, oh, I need to piss, but I'm so excited.
Emergency exit.
Unlocked by fire alarm. Where's it?
I was following up. Not the blind lead of the blind girl.
Okay, is this a person showing us that we have to exit here? I don't know. Are you sure? Okay. I think we found a way.
I've never brought the ticket. It's okay, we can pay on our way out.
Yeah. So baby, when I wake you up. Thank you. All right, where do we go now?
Brown, I know.
Oh.
Yeah. It's okay.
Bro.
The parking lots are stressful.
Honestly, I hate them.
Did I lock the door? Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Cover us, Lord. They're not gonna want any black cars, not tonight.
Listen, I got my car broken into black.
Oh my gosh, we rebuke it in Jesus' name.
I would suggest you run back just in case. I think sometimes you just double. Like naturally, I think I would have locked it.
In Jesus' name. Amen. Oh, dearie me.
Push.
I was just making sure it's not no emergency. Can't bother with no alarm right now.
Look at my face.
Can't see them through my darkest glass. Y'all, I'm gonna see Christopher Maurice Brown. Don't mind the nails, okay? Don't mind the nails. I'm fixing them myself on Sunday for vacation. Broke this opening a hamburger box yesterday. And then this one, I don't know. Nettie, you ready?
Hi. We're gonna see Chris Brown. I surprised the bitch.
Yes, she did. This is the one, y'all. I think I did tell you guys, right? Who it was? I think I did.
With the whatever the song goes, with my twin.
Nerds? Oh yeah, sure. Thank you. I love nerds. I'll take her sample. Thank you. You see I'm one top, but you're hungry. Watch when me start name them, yeah.
Good drugs in there.
Oh, it's okay. Welcome to Toronto. Welcome to Toronto. I can't stand you.
Look, too, I got some Maurice.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me see if I catch it on the billboard, y'all. And my friend. Thank you to my friend.
the bus act is on, as soon as the act come off, it's Chris on the road, you know that. You know what I'm saying?
Now you knows that. The man said you knows that. I can't deal. Look how many people came out for my husband, Mr. Brown himself.
Toronto, what the fuck going on here? Stay standing and keep the light on. Thing number 2, if you in here with your best friend, stand up and cut your light on right now. Stay standing. Team Crazy Day. We're gonna do something for the best friends. We're about to have a best friend party. So you know, if I look at my best friend, I tell her, nobody knows me like you do. Nobody don't love me quite like you. Can't even be nice every time I try. One look in my eyes, you know I'm lying, lying. Body to body, skin to skin. I'm never gonna love like this again. Let's go. Just for me. Fucking Chris Brown.
Are you sick? I've been waiting all my motherfucking life for this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Christopher Maurice Brown. Oh my god, I love you. I love you so much. Oh my god. Can you stop? No, why'd you bring me? You knew this was gonna happen. I didn't know something live for Bob. Y'all, I'm about to meet Chris Brown. Like, if you know, you motherfucking know. That's my nigga. That's my man. Namesake. Hello, I'm not even did that for married if I didn't want to. Since I was, what, 15 years old, 14 years old? Shit.
Fueled by a fire within, we're inspired to turn our dreams into reality. Winds blow through our lives, bringing change, as our voices rise above the noise. The oceans wash away our troubles, carrying our spirits along its waveforms. And when we hit the shore, we find our footing in our journey for love. Our pain makes us into perfect beings of the elements. Fire, water, air, earth. And the fifth element is you, Team Breeze. voice. Welcome to the 11th.
All off, Mr. Miyagi, and them suicide doors. Ari Kari, look at me now, look at me now. Oh, I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Yeah. Fresh, bigger than gorilla, cause I'm killing every nigga that can try to be on my. Better cup your chick if you with her, I can get her, and she accidentally slipping all on my. Oops, I said, oh my. I ain't really mean to say oh my, but since we talking about my, all of you here to say hi to it. I'm done.
Hell, Breezy. Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie. Let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. Better know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day. She really wanna pop me. Just know that you will never pop me. And I know that I gotta be a little cocky. You ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come in, I gotta set it, then I gotta go in, and I gotta get it, then I gotta blow it, and I gotta shut it. Any little thing I can think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it. And then I murder everything and anything about it, boom, about a thing. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clearer to a couple niggas that I always win, and then I gotta get it again and again and again. And I be doing it to death, and now I move a little foul. I think I better call a rap, and everybody know my style. I know that I'm the best when it come to doing this, and I be banging on my chest, and I'm banging the east, and I'm banging in the west, and I kinda give you more, and I will never give you less. You will hear it in the street, and you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's next? Let's go. See the way we on it, and we all up in the race, and you know we gotta go now, try to keep up with the pace, and we struggling and hustling to set it and to get it, and we always gotta do it, take it to another place, gotta taste it, and I gotta grab it, and I gotta cut all through this traffic just to be at the top of the throne, but I know I gotta have it.
Sometimes you have to walk through the flames to see the light. No matter how hot it gets, you can take the heat.
You like it what you see. Everything designer that's on me. Yeah, that's water when I walk. Looking like you just tryna, yeah. This trip got you in heat. Just jump in, baby girl. Yeah, you know I wanna be. On this trip got, yeah. Those eyes won't tell no lie, girl. Gonna let you in, and I'm not gonna let you down. I ain't gonna keep you waiting, no. It's gonna knock up. You playing hide and seek. Wait. You know I like to eat. Give me options. All of that from my ego. Baby, we gon' keep it simple. I need all that love on me. Yeah, you liking what you see. Everything designer that's on me. Yeah, that's why when I walk, looking like you, just tryna, yeah. This trip got you in heat. Just jump in, baby girl. Yeah, you know I wanna be.
This is night 2 for us out here. And I can't thank you enough for being here tonight.
Oh my God, baby, I love you.
Y'all gonna make sure y'all get y'all money worth tonight, I promise that. So y'all know, it's gonna be a little time on this stage now, so I hope y'all ready. All my ladies, make some noise. All the fellas, make some noise. Do not break up with your girlfriend tonight if she's looking at a nigga and some shit like, you know, you give up that. Y'all ready to motherfucking party?
Say what your name is. Oh yeah, that bitchy girl. Tell me where you headed. Can I walk with you, girl? You got that look in your eyes that look like it give your boy here a good old time, and I'm on it, girl.
Toronto, what's poppin' in here? It's night number 2, baby. Breezy Day was in the building. 1, 2, 3, what we do? Tell 'em. Just clap, just clap, just clap, just clap. 5, 4. If I see you out, come on. Girlfriend, yeah. Sexy, yeah, you know. My best friend's in with she come through, it's Bestie.
That's right, I'm on it, girl. See, this is the first time I had a girl whose looks set me on fire. I'm really trying to get to know you better, girl. You ain't gotta act like you're shy. 'Cause we gon' do something is gon' get done, and we gon' get crunk and have a lot of fun. And I say, shorty, she wearing her hair, she working them jeans, she talking that talk just like I like it. She keep it on and poppin'. Shorty keep it on and poppin'. Ooh, yeah. Shorty, wearing that top, got your boy so hot, ain't no mistaken plan. I'm faking, you got me open and waiting and poppin'. You keep me on and poppin'. Ooh, I'm trying to keep my swagger, but you're about to have me, girl. Jump through about 4 or 5 hoops of ooh, baby. Let's take it to the hood so the people can see it, girl. Oh yes, you're mean and vicious the way you're switching. Now I say, this is the first time I had a girl whose looks set me on fire. I'm really trying to get to know you better, girl. You ain't gotta act like you're shy. We gon' do something is gon' get done, and we gon' get crunk and have a lot of fun. Ooh, she wearing her hair, she
partner. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave, I saw you dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance, don't worry about it, you just one two step. Now with the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. You're making me want to say no. So you're trying to leave. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say no. So you're trying to leave.
Let's do it. Appreciate y'all. All the women that wore heels and y'all been standing up all night. I appreciate this.
Y'all, concert done. Going home. Talk about it later. Okay? Bye. Oh.